Hello, I'm in a 2017 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then right here's your battery with your positive terminal here and your negative here. And you can always check on the battery itself too if you need to. There's a negative sign by the negative terminal and a positive by the positive terminal. Next, I would take a good brush or a rag to clean any corrosion off that might be built up if there is. And then next, I'd make sure these connections are all tight. And if they're loose, you can tighten them up. That way you've got good metal on metal connection. And then from there, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, you'll take your metal clamps. And with your positive metal clamp, you want it on as much metal as you can. And then for your negative clamp, same thing, on as much metal as you can. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on with the motor running, and you've got your positive leading directly to the positive on the other vehicle and your negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't cross these by mistake, because that could cause significant damage to different circuits, electronics, things like that. Don't want to damage your computer by doing this. But once you've had this connected to your jump box or another car for a few minutes with a good connection that hopefully has gotten enough juice to get you started. If you've been trying for quite a while and not having any success, you might need to replace this battery, which you could just pop this air intake off so you can get to this battery, loosen all these terminals and all these little support braces so you can lift the old battery out, set your new battery in, and then just retighten and attach everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.